Cowboy Butter Tomahawk Steak Recipe. Collect all the ingredients for the cowboy butter. Softened butter, minced garlic, lemon zest and juice, Dijon mustard, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, chopped parsley, chives, thyme, salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. In a mixing bowl, combine the softened butter with minced garlic, lemon zest and juice, Dijon mustard, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, parsley, chives, thyme, salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Mix until well combined. Transfer the mixture onto parchment paper, roll into a log, and refrigerate until firm. Pat the tomahawk steak dry with paper towels. Rub both sides with olive oil. Generously season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Optionally, tuck rosemary sprigs and crushed garlic cloves around the steak for added flavor. Allow the seasoned steak to sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes to ensure even cooking. Preheat your grill to high heat, around 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius, for direct and indirect cooking zones. If using an oven, preheat to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Place the steak over direct high heat on the grill or in a hot oven-safe skillet on the stovetop. Sear for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until a golden brown crust forms. Move the steak to indirect heat on the grill or transfer the skillet to the preheated oven. Cook until the internal temperature reaches your desired doneness, 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 54 degrees Celsius for medium rare. About 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the steak from heat and place it on a cutting board. Tent it loosely with aluminum foil and let it rest for 10 minutes to allow the juices to redistribute. Slice the steak against the grain into thick slices. Top each slice with a generous pat of the chilled cowboy butter, letting it melt over the hot meat. Serve immediately with your favorite side dishes. Enjoy your flavorful cowboy butter tomahawk steak.